And we're planting tomatoes. Got a scaffold. What do you call this, babe? This pole structure I made? Trellis. Put 3 poles on the ground, 8 foot, they're approximately 8 foot high, with a piece going across, and welded some connector joints on them, just like that, and we're going to use them to trellis our tomatoes. And you can see, we're getting our tomatoes going here. Getting them transplanted from what we had in the greenhouse. And we've got a few more to go and we'll be done, but we're losing daylight here, so I wanted to get a little bit of film of the progress today. Okay, I also wanted to get a little a little video of how the strawberries and the onions, and I think she's got some lettuce in here, and she got some beets going in the middle, but just to show you this stuff is going, and man, this stuff is growing terrific.